I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Molly Cat, come here, pop up and say hi. Hello. Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 24, the last and final day of Vlogmas. I can't believe it. You may notice I'm in the same clothes as yesterday because I literally just walked home from Connor's, picked up some packages on my way upstairs. I am gonna get changed, but I figured I would just start the vlog because who cares. So this vlog is going to be slightly different. It's not going to be like a full vlog today because it's Christmas Eve and I just sort of want to relax, enjoy Christmas Eve, and then definitely enjoy Christmas and not have to like edit on Christmas morning. So due to that, it's gonna be a slightly different vlog, but I still have some fun things planned, so I hope that you guys don't mind. But let's just start by cracking open these boxes. This first one's from my mom, so it's, I believe, mine and Connor's Christmas presents from her. My mother did not skimp on the tape, that's for sure. Okay, everything is already wrapped in here, I believe. Oh, this is actually for me. Oh, I can't wait to look at all of this stuff. I'm very excited. They also threw in some chocolates that they weren't gonna eat. Tiramisu chocolates. I'm so excited. I know it's, what time is it? 9:45 a.m., but do I try one? Ooh, this is fancy. My mom told me that she tried some TikTok wrapping techniques. This is clearly one of them. Very pretty. I love that my mom still writes like, to Jill from Santa. I think that I'll be like 50 and getting presents from Santa, and I am not mad about it, I can tell you that much. Look at this. What is this? Oh, I know who this is from actually. This is from my Uncle Rob because I think he sent these boxes to everyone. I have another chocolate orange now because my parents got the same box and they didn't want their chocolate orange, so they sent it to me. There you go. Love it, thank you, Uncle Rob. I'll have to give him a call today. I also had a ton of like Christmas cards in my mail. Okay, so this is from my Uncle Rob. It looks like probably a card that goes with this. Oh, I love him. He's just so sweet. It's from my Aunt Monique. Little polar bear. Such a cute little card on this one too. Oh look, there's a whole like letter here it looks like. Is this like his little Christmas card? Oh yes. My pop-up still writes like a little note, like a Christmas card recap of the year. And there's usually a couple funny things in there. Let's see. He's adorable. Oh, he said say hello to Connor. Love Pop-Pop. I love him so much. It's actually unbelievable. Lots of Christmas fun here on Christmas Eve. I have a lot of family members to call now and thank. So I'm just gonna clean all this up and get changed. Okay guys, we're ready to move on to the next part of the vlog. It's 1 p.m. now. Now that it's 1 p.m., I really want to try one of these tiramisu chocolates before we move on to the next activity of the vlog. A little more coffee-ish than I wish they were. Oh, they are good. Our next activity of the vlog today is that I'm going to try on both of the New Year's Eve dresses that I got. I don't know which I'm gonna wear yet. Actually, I pretty much know because one looks like it just will not fit, but I thought it'd be fun to try them on and you guys can tell me down below which one you like best and which one you think I should wear. Okay, let me show you both of these dresses first. The first one, these are both from Revolve, and this is the first. This is Lovers and Friends. Really pretty green holiday, just beautiful. Is this a dress or a romper? Let me remind myself. Yeah, I think it's a dress. But just so pretty. This is the one that I'm pretty sure I'll end up wearing because the other one was actually my favorite, but I don't think it's gonna fit me. I'm also gonna put a photo on the screen of what this looked like on the website, but they didn't have extra smalls, and I pretty much knew when I was ordering it that the small would not fit me, but I just loved it so much that I wanted to try. But yeah, it looks like it won't fit me. It just is so long, like it will be so long on me, but we're still gonna try it on and see because I do love this. I love the little slit. Like I think it's really pretty and fun for New Year's. I guess it's not sparkly, or it's supposed to be sparkly on New Year's, but who cares? I'm gonna go try these on. I'm gonna put this one on first and then we'll try on the green one. Well, as predicted, this is just too big on me. The length actually doesn't bother me as much because of the slit, so it still sort of like shows a little bit of my form, although it is still long. But it just is loose, like there's so much extra fabric here. Here, like this should be like skin tight on my legs, like that. This whole thing should just be like skin tight right on me. And it's obviously not at all. The sleeves, hold on, let me roll them down. The sleeves are like pretty bulky as well and just like, it just doesn't fit right. This is the annoying part because Although this is not a good example of it. Usually small things fit me better than extra small things. Also, sorry about the mess. It's just a disaster in here. Anyway, small things tend to fit me better than extra small things, but I'm so short that extra small things lengthwise tend to fit me better, and so it's sort of a struggle. But anyway, this is obviously not gonna be the dress, so I guess this idea of you guys helping me choose, maybe I'll find another option for my closet, that way you guys can still help me. But let's try on the green one. Okay, here is our green dress option. Honestly, extra small still sort of long on me. Like, I would like this to be slightly shorter, but I also feel like it's one of those dresses that you can like pinch up a little bit. Yeah, this one is probably what I'll end up wearing more than likely. I think it's really cute with the little like detail here where it comes down a little bit longer, but it's shorter on the side. I'm pretty sure I'm a fan of this, especially in heels. I think it'll look very cute. Let me dig around in my closet and see if there's another option that I want to try. Okay, I just found this dress in my closet. I probably have not worn this dress since I was 20 years old. That's probably when I bought it. And who even knows if I wore it then, but I think I bought it when I was 20. But I've held on to it all these years just because I'm like, oh, little black dress like always comes in handy. It's really cute. It goes like off the shoulders. I'm pretty sure it's from American Apparel, but I could be totally wrong. Oh my God, look at the amount of hair on this sleeve. Okay, please ignore that. That's actually grossing me out a little. Anyway, I actually really like this though. This might be a real potential. It sort of has a similar thing to the other dress where it like comes down a little bit lower. Yeah. I don't know, is this my new favorite? I'm not sure. What do you guys think? What should I wear? This is sort of fun, you know, New Year's-y, because it's black, it's cute, simple. But I do like that green one a lot as well, so I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. Help me choose what to wear on New Year's. And now I need to go like lint roll this because it's actually grossing me out. Writing my letter to Connor here. If you missed yesterday's vlog, this is a new holiday tradition that Connor and I are starting. I wanted to come up with something that was easy, something we could do every year. And what I liked about this one too is that we can do it even on years where we're not spending Christmas together. Like next year, I'm sure we're both gonna be dying to go home to both of our families for the holidays since neither of us get to this year. So we probably won't spend actual Christmas together next year. But we can obviously still write each other a little letter ahead of time for the other to have to open. So yeah, I think it's a fun tradition. I'm pretty excited about it. So just finished mine here and I'm just going to put it in an envelope. Gonna put a little bow on there too because I think that's cute and fun. There we go. Ready to go. Feeling good about this. So it is about 3 p.m. now and I think I'm going to do our last activity for the vlog now, and that is going to be to make peanut butter cookies. And I am so excited. These are peanut butter blossoms, I think are what they're called, the ones with the Hershey Kisses in them that are so good. They're probably my favorite cookie. Chocolate chip is always good, but this one is just so yummy. My mom sent me a recipe this morning, so thought it would be fun if we quickly made those together before we wrap up this vlog. Okay, here is everything we need. You need flour, you need sugar, you need brown sugar, you need peanut butter. I have like 3 half-eaten jars, so we're just gonna combine those. Baking soda, you need an egg, you need vanilla extract, and salt. And then you also can use just normal sugar for this, but I like to coat mine in Christmas colors just because that's sort of fun for this time of year. So I have some red and green sugar, sprinkle type stuff in here, so that's what I'll be using on mine. Okay, we're gonna start by beating the butter. I also don't really have the right kind of butter. Also, I think I forgot to say butter. You need butter. We're gonna just be using my normal butter. My mom said that it might be slightly weird, but that it'll probably be fine. This is my least favorite part about baking, is that you have to be so exact. And like, I love cooking, just throwing things in, tasting it, and seeing what happens. I can't do that with baking, it annoys me. Okay, butter, check. And we're gonna beat it until it's creamy and smooth. I'm always afraid it's gonna like fly everywhere. You need 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2. Then brown sugar. Go. Maybe these cookies will end up being a total fail, but we'll see what happens. Okay, peanut butter. Oh my God, this looks so good. Please take a look at this. Oh my God, I have to try some. Mmm. Oh my God, that's delicious. Okay, flour. Okay, I think that that's it. And now we just put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Okay, we have our dough, we have our sprinkles, we have our pan lined with parchment paper. The dough is still really soft and I left it in the fridge for like way longer than it said. It said 30 minutes and it's been probably an hour and a half that I left it in there or something like that. But my mom actually made these with the same recipe earlier today and said that hers was really soft also, and so she wasn't really able to roll them in sprinkles, which is a bummer, but she said that she just like sprinkled them on top. So I don't know, I'm gonna try rolling one. If it doesn't work, then we'll just do it the way my mom did, but there you go, let's do it. Okay, I tried rolling 2 of them. It did not work, as you can see. They were just too soft, so I ended up just sprinkling on top like my mom said that she did, which will be totally fine. And now I'm going to throw these in the oven. Go. Set a 10-minute timer.
10 minutes, starting now.
And while those bake, I'm going to unwrap the Hershey Kisses. That way they are ready to go because I like to put them in right as the cookies come out of the oven. That way it all gets like melty and yummy together. Okay, let's pull these babies. Oh, they look perfect. I am so excited for this. What I'm gonna do, I think, let's see if these are too fragile to try to, nope, they're great, okay. Oh my God, that one's falling apart and it's so hot. Okay, one at a time, Jill. Let's not get ambitious here. And then you just take the kisses and you push them in to each of the cookies. Wow. Oh my God. I am losing my mind, you guys, over how amazing these look. I am so excited. Actually, the sprinkling technique made them look really cute still. I feel like it looks, I mean, this one definitely, it got rolled the best in the sprinkles and looks the best. This one probably looks the worst. It was also rolled in the sprinkles, but it did not go well. So I don't know, somewhere in between. But who cares how they look because they're going to taste insane. Okay, well, we obviously have to try one of these cookies. Oh my God. Oh my God, it came out perfect. I can't believe I did this. I'm not a baker. The chocolate's working with the peanut butter. It's so soft. Oh, these are amazing. Well, that was very successful. Very successful. Well guys, I thought it was only right to end Vlogmas here in front of the Christmas tree. I can't believe that we just did 24 days straight of hanging out together. It honestly was sort of fun. I mean, it was exhausting and I'm so happy that it's over, but it was pretty fun. I really enjoyed it. And honestly, it was better than I thought it would be, I think, considering the circumstances of this year. So quickly, I just wanted to talk to you guys about 2021 and my plan coming up. I don't think that there will be any more vlogs this year. Pretty positive that there won't. And I think that we'll be back on January 4th with our first vlog of 2021, and it is going to stay here on this channel. I'm not gonna move back to the vlog channel. I think we're just gonna stay here and keep building the audience here, which is very exciting. Thank you to everyone who came over from my vlog channel to this channel for Vlogmas. I really appreciate your support. Thank you to everyone who is new here and showed up during Vlogmas and found me. I'm so happy that you're here, and I'm so excited for what 2021 is going to have in store for us. It's actually going to be a lot of fun. January is going to be just so crazy because we're gonna be moving. It's gonna be so busy and a lot of fun moving vlogs. Like really, we're gonna be right back at it. First vlog in January will probably be a moving related vlog. So get ready for that, it's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna leave it there. Connor is gonna be here any minute. So I just wanted to wrap this up. That way we could just relax together and enjoy Christmas Eve. But thank you guys for watching today. Thank you guys for watching all of Vlogmas. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, whatever you celebrate. I hope that you have a wonderful time and that you get to be with those who you love. Wait, we need Molly Cat to really end this vlog. Molly, where are you? Molly, hi, you're sleeping under the bed? Oh, my sleepy girl. Just come and say goodbye to the vlog. Molly, you're the real star here and everyone knows it. And I'm not mad about it. Look at this cute cat. I love you so much. So there you go. I hope everyone has a wonderful holiday season, and me and Molly will see you in 2021.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?